Deep in the forest, hidden beneath layers of mud, leaves, and time, something waits. An abandoned Range Rover, forgotten, left to decay. Most people would walk past it, ignore it, leave it behind. But not this time, because sometimes what looks like the end is just the beginning. Covered in moss, soaked in dirt, the body barely visible, yet something about it still feels alive. A story buried, waiting to be told. The first touch breaks years of silence. A hand brushes against the surface, thick mud cracks and falls away. Underneath, there it is, still there, still real. The door opens slowly. A long, tired creak echoes through the trees. Dust rises into the air, floating in the light, like time itself has been disturbed. Inside, nothing but decay, leaves, dirt, silence. But even now, it refuses to be forgotten. This is where everything changes. The pull begins. Metal strains, ropes tighten. The ground fights back, mud gripping the tires, refusing to let go. But slowly, inch by inch, it moves, breaking free from the forest that tried to claim it. And just like that, the transformation begins. Water hits the surface with force. Mud explodes outward, layers of neglect washing away. What was hidden starts to reveal itself. Foam spreads across the body. Dirt dissolves, sliding down like the past being erased. Every scrub, every motion, bringing it back, not just cleaning, restoring. Underneath all the damage, something stronger appears. The shape returns. The shine begins. But this is only the surface. The real story lies inside. The hood lifts slowly, and there it is, an engine frozen in time, covered in oil, dirt, and years of silence. This is where most would stop, but not here, not today. One bolt at a time, the past is taken apart. Each turn of the wrench, a step deeper into the story. Some resist, some break, but nothing is left untouched. Piece by piece, it comes apart, until there's nothing left but potential. Then comes the reset. Degreaser hits the surface. Foam rises, reacting instantly, breaking down years of grime. The brush follows, scraping, grinding, restoring what once was lost. Sparks fly in the darkness, metal meets motion, and slowly the old fades away. Air blasts through every corner, dust disappears into nothing, clean, bare, ready. This is where precision begins. Everything changes here. Parts return, but not the same. Better, cleaner, stronger. Oil flows again, coating each surface with life. Every movement becomes controlled. Every detail matters. The piston slides in, smooth, effortless, like it was always meant to be there. The final clicks echo through the workshop, each one sealing the transformation. And now, it's no longer broken. It's reborn. The paint falls like a new identity. Gloss spreads across the surface. Reflection replaces damage. What was once forgotten now demands attention. Every angle, every line, perfect. And then the moment arrives. The key rests in hand. Everything leads to this. A pause, a breath, and then the turn. Silence. For just a second, nothing. Then suddenly, life. A deep, powerful roar explodes into the air. The engine wakes up, not as it was, but as something new. Stronger, louder, alive. The rhythm settles, a smooth, controlled idle. Proof that every second, every effort was worth it. From the forest to a machine reborn, not just restored, reimagined. Because nothing is ever truly gone if you're willing to bring it back.